Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a video about how to make money on YouTube. So a lot of you guys have requested me to do this video, and so I'm making my time to actually do this video for you guys. So there are some steps that you actually have to follow in order for you to start making money on YouTube. So step one is to obviously have a YouTube channel, upload videos, and monetize your videos. Step two is to create a Google Adsense account. Step three is to link your monetization to your Google Adsense. Easy, right? Now, it sounds so easy, but in reality, it's not really. And a lot of you guys probably right now asking, what is monetization? What is Google Adsense? And it's fine. I'm gonna explain to you guys. So, monetization. How to enable monetization. So YouTube has some requirements for every YouTubers to follow in order to enable monetization. So in order to enable monetization, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers and you have to reach 4,000 watch hours. 1,000 subscribers is easy to understand. What does it mean? It means you just need to reach 1,000 subscribers in your channel. 4,000 watch hours, you guys are probably confused. If you are confused, it basically means the number of hours that your viewers or people who watch your videos in total has to at least 4,000 watch hours, or more than that. So once you have actually met all those requirements, then now you can enable your monetization. Now, when you enable your monetization, it doesn't approve this at the same time as you click enable monetization. YouTube team will have to review your channel for maybe a month, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I don't know. It really depends on individual channel. So they will have to review your channel to see if your channel is authentic and stuff like that, and so many other things that they have to review based on, which I don't really fully understand. But they basically have to review your channel in order to approve your channel. So mine was approved within 3 weeks, which I thought it was really fast, and I was so grateful about that. Yeah, so now you guys understand about monetization, right? So you have to have a YouTube channel, you have to reach 1,000 subscribers, you have to reach 4,000 watch hours in order to enable monetization. Okay, now a lot of you guys probably ask like how we can reach 4,000 watch hours quickly, because that's a lot of hours. Some strategies that you can do, which I did, was having a longer videos, because at the beginning I was having a lot shorter videos. If you can go and see my videos at the beginning, I have a lot of short videos because I didn't know anything about monetization at that time. But then when I found out, I did my research, and then I learned that you should have a longer video which can help you reach that 4,000 watch hours quicker. So that's what I did, and I did reach 4,000 watch hours quickly, and then have my YouTube monetized. Now the next one is to create a Google Adsense account. How to create a Google Adsense account? You just go to Google and you just write down, Google Adsense, create Google Adsense account, something like that, and the page will come up, and then you just basically follow their guide. It will say you want to sign in or you want to sign up, and you sign up a Google Adsense account if you haven't got one. The email that you use is your Gmail account. So if you already have a Gmail account, it should be easy for you to actually create one. I had a Gmail account, so it was pretty straightforward. And so once you have created that one, then now you need to link your YouTube monetization linked to your Google Adsense. Why do you need to link both? Because when you start making money on YouTube, Google Adsense is the one that will be paying you. So your money will go to Google Adsense, your account, Google Adsense account, and then that's how you withdraw your money from there. So Google will send you money every month based on whatever that you have in your account. The minimum requirements that they send it to you is at least $100. So if you have already reached $100 in your account, then they will send that to you, to your address that you put in your Google Adsense and your YouTube channel. So that's the steps, guys. It's very easy, but also it required a lot of patience. And my only advice would be like not doing YouTube to make money, but to have fun. That's what me. I really enjoy doing videos and uploading and helping others based on whatever questions that they want me to actually do video about it, and based on my experience, and sharing my experience and stuff like that through my YouTube is something that I really enjoy doing. So that's the only thing that I would advise you. Like, don't get overwhelmed, don't try to chase that 4,000 watch hours so stressfully and stuff like that. Just have fun. When you have fun, you don't even realize once you actually already reach 4,000 watch hours, because you have fun doing the videos, you have fun doing every process that you're doing. I think that's the most important part. So that's the only thing that I advise you guys. But if you guys have any other questions about how to monetize your videos, or how to have Google Adsense account, how to link them and stuff like that, comment down below, and I can definitely do another video which I can show you step by step on how to monetize, how to link to a Google Adsense, how to have Google Adsense account and stuff like that. So yeah, I would end the video now because that's all I wanted to say. And if you have any other question, as I've said, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe here right now, because I upload videos all the time for you guys to watch. Videos like this, I listen to you guys, your questions, what you want me to do video about, and when I know and when I can do it based on my own experience, I always do for you guys. So make sure you subscribe right now if you haven't subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.